It's been a while, but I'm back. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, taking a look at some cars and trucks and who knows what else we're gonna find. And I think we're beginning today's video with the sign from above. So this is the door that I come out of, and as I was walking to the regular part of the yard, take a look at what we found. 2024 Corvette. Okay, yeah, it's a Vet. 2023 Corvette. Yeah, it's a Corvette. And look at this right here. Yes, we have a two-door Mercedes. This is the 250 SE from, what is it, 67 or something? The damage, it looks bad. You need a fender and a hood and this little piece right here, okay? And of course, your lights. I don't care. I just wanted to see this thing in person. 1967 250 SE. I have wanted one of these things forever. Yes, I have a 69 280 SE. It's the four-door with the cracked cylinder wall that I'm trying to find a new engine for. But look at her. I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. The bad news is, because they have this taped, I can't get inside. I can't open the doors. I can't remove this tape or anything. So let's just kind of peek in the window. This is like when I was a little kid. My sister and I would go to the car lots and poke our heads in the windows of the cars. Look at that with the white dash and the wood. Oh, this was a well cared for car. I mean, look at this. It's dirty now. We haven't had any rain in a very long time, but this, does this work? Here's your gas. Right in there. Let's see if we can open this. Yep. Oh. Well, you get lots of stuff. I don't know what that is. What is this? Car parts. Okay. That's all right. There's your spare. See how it's held in right there? Yes. There you go. 250 SE automatic. These are such cool cars, and you have the cool. I have those for mine. I got to convert. I got the wheels and I got the hubcaps. I need some tires for it. I got to get the engine first. But look in. Can you see in through here? Look at that. Oh, how nice was this car? This. I wish I could get inside. I really do. And of course, because we can't get inside, we can't. Is this open? Oh, I think it might even be open. Now, let me try to remember where the hood release is on this. I don't remember where it is on mine. I thought it was like right under here. Yeah, but because this is. Here we go. What are we hitting? Here it is. Oh, now we can get inside. Oh, look at that. It looks just like mine on the inside. I should buy this. Let's sort of GoFundMe so Mike can afford this. You want to? Look at this. This is the straight six. Okay. It has the factory air conditioning. Oh, and this little beauty right here. This is your mechanical fuel pump right here. This is what clogs up. And these things are so expensive. They're $700 to $1,200 on eBay used and not even fixed or in good running condition. Okay, it took me forever to get mine to work. These are all of the hard lines going around here to the fuel injectors. Oh, you have a nice little water bottle here. This is a good sign right here. Interstate battery. That's nice. You got your coil, distributor cap. Oh my gosh, yeah, I need this in my life. So I am going to write this down. We'll watch the auction. I just don't know if I'll be able to afford it. If I had 100,000 subscribers, hint, 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 I could. Yes. So once again, 1967 Mercedes 280 SE. Beautiful condition, other than all the damage. All right, let's move on. Next up, a car everyone absolutely loves, 2017 Lexus RX350. Actually, it's an SUV that everybody loves. I just saw this, and it's dirty. Okay, we haven't had rain, like I mentioned, in a long time. And so these cars are sitting out here in the lot, and they do get covered in dust. I mean, people are walking by. You've got the big forklifts walking by. Here's your, ooh, somebody didn't walk by. Somebody punched right into her. She got T-boned right there. It doesn't look too bad, though. I mean, if you get yourself a door, a rear door, this is just a little touch-up paint right there, okay? Once again, because they have this, I can't get in on this side. I can still get in on the other side. Tires are good. There's a little bit of tread left. These are nice Goodyears, though. Goodyear Eagle Sport. So that's the damage. Well, heck yeah. I jump on this in a heartbeat. Eagle Sport, 4 matching tires, minimal damage to one door. Let's see what the inside is like. Yeah, like I was saying, everybody, Consumer Reports, even the car wizard loves these things. And look at this interior. Ooh, black and burgundy with special stitching. Oh, that's nice. This is smell test, absolute. Yep, passes. It passes with flying colors. Let's see what she's like up in front. We do have power, so let's just see what happens here. We'll put our foot on the brake. There you go. Battery was almost, almost dead. So we'll let it run for a little while. There's no sticker, but I would imagine the damage is from right there. We do have a oil change sticker. 10 of 24, 132,000 miles. So it just had the oil change not long ago. We're at 129 right here. Oh, this is nice. And for the first time in a long time, I'm not going to turn on the air conditioner. No, because it is 61 degrees out here, 62 last I checked. We do have a couple of error messages, tire pressure right here. RCTA and BSM. I don't know what those are, so leave a comment and let me know what those are. But this is nice. And it does show that door is open. So we got to be aware of that. But everything in here, perfect. What did this person listen to? There you go, pop radio. Okay. Let's just go backwards. There you go. Goes into gear. Goes into gear. Everything is fine in here. Oh, this is nice. You've got your Eco, Normal, and Sport. Of course, you're going to have your owner's manual. Nice. Okay, well, this is a super nice car. Let's see what it's like. Oh, we have a heated steering wheel. Nice. And the back door is opening for us. I think the hood is already unlatched. Oh, if you need to expand your wardrobe with some colorful socks, we've got you covered. There's shoes in here too. These are all the personal belongings. They need to come get them. You got the cover for the back part right here. This is a nice, nice, nice car. We'll close this up. Thank you for your service. I still like watching that. I'm old school. Yep, everybody loves these. And now that I'm a Lexus owner, I love them too. Let's see what this looks like. And there you go. Engine oil. 0W20. Okay, good stuff. Rock solid. 129,000 miles, and she's not moving a bit. We have the nice Lexus battery. That's a great sign. So this is a 2017, so this is probably the second or third battery. And, oh, how many months is it? 84-month battery. Wow. Okay, I'm sure that was an expensive purchase, but this is great. This is beautiful. All right, Lexus, thank you. You're looking good, baby. Finally, something really tucked away back here. I had a hard time finding this. It's so low to the ground and is surrounded by these SUVs. This is a 2015 BMW M235. Yeah, look at this. Cool looking carbon fiber. You got the carbon fiber look on the top, which I don't know if that's a wrap or what. You have the carbon fiber on the tail right here that's seems to be a little bit loose. That's okay. It's a really nice looking pearl white paint. Almost, well, it's between white and gray. It's so dirty. You can see how they had this taped up. You still have the residue from the paint. She's been lowered and all kinds of things put on. Okay. That's been wrapped and it's cracking and looks horrible. You're missing your front emblem as well right here. This has been wrapped. And there's some damage to your front bumper. This is a water loss. So with Milton and Helene, we're going to see lots and lots and lots of water vehicles show up at these auction sites. So you really have to be careful about this. Some people really like to buy them. Others don't. If it's a salt water, I don't. If it's fresh water, it doesn't scare me too much. It's just all that salt. Look at this though. There you go. This is the 6 speed. Nice. Okay. Do we have power? I don't know what's going to happen. Let me see if I can just kind of wiggle my way into here. Oh, look at this. They've been absorbing lots of water. And look at the driving position. No, this isn't. There's no way this could be a driving. You can't even see. You can't even see driving like this. Wow. Okay. I just don't know what's going to happen here. I don't think anything. Yeah. I would be afraid to start her if the water got up too high. You do get a nice looking remote. You get the M badge on your stick shift. So all of this has been, okay, so here's your original. And they put this wrap, carbon fiber wrap, and it gets hot and it shrinks. I think it looks okay though. I bet if they would have done a better job cutting it, and if they would have finished the job, that would be okay. 71,000 miles, 722 at 24. So there's your mileage right there. What do you think the engine looks like? Are we going to find water in there? Let me see if I can get out of this thing. We'll pull this twice, and we'll take a look under the hood. Here's what she looks like under the hood. We're missing the cover for some reason, and if you are looking at water vehicles that have been flooded, you want to look for a water line, and sometimes you can see it. It'll be a clear line like right in through here or down through there. It's going to have the muck, the dust and the muck and the mud, and it's going to be a little cleaner on top, and that'll tell you how high the water got. I don't see this. I don't think this has been opened. Okay, so if you have a waterlogged engine, I guess we could look in here. You're going to remove your spark plugs. These are your coils. Remove them. Give the engine a start, and all the water is going to come spitting out. That's going to help you. But what do you see down there? You see anything? It looks clean. That's good. We have a little bit of coolant right there. I just don't think I see. We're missing the cover too. Yeah, and this is really, it's dirty. I don't like the sound of that. Another place you can check for a water line is right in through here. Sometimes they'll market, auctions used to market, but you'll have like a little line you can see right here, and then they'll put a WL like for water level. I don't see it in here, so maybe it didn't get too high. You can feel the carpets. This doesn't feel wet. It doesn't smell like water or mold or fish or anything like that. So this could be salvageable. It's a good looking car. It's been kind of rigged out, but it's not bad. It's really not bad at all. Let me know what you think. It's got Continentals. Yeah. Nice tires. with tread. So that's good. Yeah, no power at all anywhere. And the tires match. Well, how you like that? That is going to do it for another walk around video here at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And the ladies up front said that they are seeing more and more people here from Tulsa and other places come out and check out the inventory, which you should do before you buy a car or a truck. Every manager, every yard has a different day that people can do that. Some are 1 day a week, others are 2 or 3 or 4 days a week. So go to the website, download the app IAA, and check out the specifics on the yard you're interested in, wherever you find that vehicle of your dreams. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We're back with another one very, very soon. All right, until then, goodbye.